How to activate the Danske Bank mobile app. Activating the Danske Bank mobile banking app is quick and only takes a few minutes. You'll need your customer number, password, an eSafe ID app, or card reader to get started. First, download the Danske Bank mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Log On or Activate. On the welcome screen, select your country and choose Activate Mobile Banking. Enter your customer number and password exactly as they appear. In your online banking details, you'll then be asked to verify your identity using eSafe ID, either through the eSafe ID app or your physical card reader. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your login. Once verified, you'll be asked to set up a PIN code or enable Face ID or fingerprint login for faster access. When setup is complete, your Danske Bank app will be fully activated. You can now check balances, transfer money, and manage accounts directly from your phone. If activation fails, make sure your internet connection is stable and your eSafe ID is registered correctly. You can also call Danske Bank customer support for quick help, and that's it. That's how you activate the Danske Bank mobile app safely and easily. Thanks for watching.